Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome to Yogami. I'm Anindita, your trainer for today's yoga session. Let's start by warming up our body before we get into today's vinyasa flows. Come into your all-fours position for cat and cow stretch. Elbows straight. The next inhale, arch your back, look forward. Exhale, round the back, look towards the navel. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round, elbows are straight. Inhale, arch, look front. Exhale, rounding the back. Inhale, arch the back, a few more times, round, inhale, look front, arch, exhale, round, inhale, look front, arch, exhale, round, inhale, look front, arch, exhale, round, come back to the neutral position. From there, take the right hand and slide it under the left, placing the right shoulder down on the mat, right cheek down on the mat. Stretch the right hand. Slowly come back. Slide the left hand under the right, placing the left shoulder down, left cheek down, stretching the left hand. Slowly come back. Place the palm back down. Place the forearms down and start walking forward with your hands, trying to touch the chest down for puppy dog position. Placing your head down, stretching the chest down on the mat, getting a stretch in the back. Staying here for a few breaths. And slowly start walking backwards and come back. Starting with lying down position, bend your knees, feet parallel to each other, hip widths apart. Touch the back of your heels. With the next inhale, lift your pelvis up and slowly get it back down. Inhale, up and down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. From there, interlace the fingers behind your back, tuck the shoulders under you, and lift the pelvis higher, staying here in Setu bandhasana, bridge pose. Make sure your chin is not stuck to the sternum and you have space to breathe. Long and deep breaths here. Exhale, slowly come back down. Getting ready for Urdhva Dhanurasana or Chakrasana, wheel pose. Placing the palms by the sides of the ears, fingers facing down. Preparing your body preparing your mind. And with the next inhale, lift your body up. Opening the chest, trying to go higher with every inhalation. Exhale, slowly come back down. Release the hands, hug your knees, go side to side, whatever feels good for the spine. And release the legs down. Place the right ankle on the left thigh, grab the left knee, interlace the fingers and pull the left knee towards your chest, getting a stretch in the right hip. Make sure your right knee is not dropping down, push it away. Don't strain your neck, shoulders down on the mat, head down on the mat. Exhale, release the foot down, release the right leg down. Bend the left knee, place the left ankle on the right thigh, grab the right knee using interlaced fingers and pull the knee towards the chest, getting a stretch in the left hip this time. Don't hold the breath. Long and deep breaths, belly sucked in. Exhale, release the foot down, release the left leg down, knees are still bent, cross the right knee over the left, taking the knees towards the left side, using your left palm to press the knees down, right hand is extended out, look towards the tip of the right middle finger. Stay here for 5 breaths. Once you're in the position, make sure your right shoulder is not lifted, press it down, getting a nice twist in the spine. Inhale, slowly come back, release the legs, cross the left knee over the right, taking the knees towards the right side, using your right palm to press the knees down, left hand is extended out, look towards the tip of the left middle finger. Make sure your left shoulder is pressing down on the mat, both the shoulders down on the mat. Maintain the pace of your breathing. Inhale, slowly come back, release both the legs, straighten the legs out, lying down on the back. For the next flow, lie down on your belly. From here, place the palms next to the chest, getting ready for Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. With the next inhale, lift your chest up, look front. Once you're in the position, engage your thighs and your hips. Use your core to stay here. Exhale, down on the mat. Rest any cheek on the mat. Now place your forearms down on the mat. Adjust your position. Elbows under the shoulders, straight line. And look front. Stay here. Bhujangasana Variation. Keep your thighs engaged, hips engaged. Keep pressing the forearms down. Exhale. Come back down. Rest any one cheek on the mat. With the next inhale, bend your right knee, take the left leg up, support the left thigh, with the right foot. Preparation for Shalabhasana, Locust Pose. Getting a stretch in the back, slight back bend. Keep breathing. Hands are by the sides of the body. Exhale. Release the legs down on the mat, going towards the other side. Bend your left knee. Raise your right leg. Place the right thigh on the left foot. Gentle back bend. Chin is resting on the mat. Inhale. Exhale. With the next inhale, release the legs down on the mat. Rest. For the next one, going for Shalabhasana, Locust Pose Variation. Placing the palms under the thighs, chin resting on the mat, and with the next inhale, only lifting the legs up. Stay there for 5 breaths. Try to use your palms to lift the thighs more. Engaging the thighs and the hips to stay there. Exhale, release the legs back down on the mat. Take the hands out from under the thighs. Take a couple of breaths here. Going for Shalabhasana A, Locust Pose. With the next inhale, the entire body will be on the pelvis, lifting the upper body, legs and the hands up. Try to stay here for 5 breaths, engaging your thighs, engaging your core. And down. Rest any one cheek on the mat. Take a couple of breaths here. From here, bend both the knees. Going for Dhanurasana Bow Pose. Grab the ankles from the outsides. Prepare your body. Prepare your mind. And with the next inhale, lift up. Try to pull the ankles towards you and push the ankles away, opposite forces to lift more. Exhale, slowly release the body down on the mat, resting any one cheek on the mat. After a couple of breaths, place the palms next to the belly. Going for Urdhva mukha svanasana, upward facing dog. With the next inhale, lift your body up. Hands are completely straight. You're entirely on your feet and your palms. Rest of the body is off the mat. Look up. Open the chest, taking the shoulders away from each other. Exhale, come back down. Rest any one cheek on the mat. Take a couple of breaths here. Slowly lift up and come back to lying down on your back. Let's end the practice with the closing mantra. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Gently rub your palms together. Place them on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me today. I will see you again for the next session on Yogami.